Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's buzzing in the travel community. You might have heard about the recent drone strike on a fuel tank near Dubai Airport, which has Aussies reconsidering their European vacation plans. But there's more to this story than meets the eye. The ongoing conflict between Iran, the US, and Israel has created a tricky situation for travelers. Dubai, a major transit hub, is now operating with limited flights, leaving many stranded in the UAE. This is a significant disruption, especially for those who plan to use Dubai as a gateway to Europe. Here's the deal: the Flight Centre CEO, Graham Turner, has some advice for Australian travelers. He suggests exploring alternative routes to Europe, like flying through the US, South Africa, Japan, or China. But here's the catch: these routes will likely be more expensive and have limited availability. Personally, I think this is a real eye-opener to the hidden costs of geopolitical tensions. It's not just about the direct impact on the region, it's about the ripple effect on global travel and the economy. What many people don't realize is that these conflicts can significantly influence our travel plans and budgets. The spike in fuel costs is a direct result of the Strait of Hormuz's closure, a crucial passage for global oil supply. This is a prime example of how geopolitical events can disrupt everyday life, even for those not directly involved. From my perspective, it's a stark reminder of our interconnected world. Mr. Turner's reassurance about fuel supply is a silver lining, but the uncertainty remains. The conflict's duration is unpredictable, and travelers are understandably hesitant. In my opinion, this situation highlights the delicate balance between global politics and personal travel aspirations. It's a fine line between staying informed and not letting these events deter us from exploring the world. The bigger picture here is fascinating. Geopolitical tensions often have far-reaching consequences, affecting industries like travel and hospitality. This situation might just be a temporary setback for travelers, but it's a powerful reminder of the world's complexity. If you take a step back and think about it, these events shape our travel experiences and preferences, sometimes in ways we don't even realize. So, what does this mean for Aussie travelers? Well, it's a mix of adapting plans, being flexible, and staying informed. It might mean exploring new destinations or paying a premium for peace of mind. One thing that immediately stands out is the resilience of the travel industry and travelers themselves. We find ways to navigate these challenges, and that's the beauty of exploration. In conclusion, this situation is a perfect example of how global events can impact our local decisions. It's a reminder to stay adaptable and informed. Who knew that a drone strike could lead to such a fascinating travel conundrum? That's the world we live in, folks. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let's see what adventures await despite the challenges.